Our objective is to identify the difference between a coin in the cup with water and a coin in the cup without water. So, we need the materials like suka, sungay, and a water. Okay, class. Take a look at these two cards. Observe and see the difference between the two of them. One cup has water, while the other one has no water. Without water? Without water? Yes, without water. So what did you observe with a cup with water? We can see the point in the cup.
But we can see the point in the cup that works with water.
And what's the reason behind that?
Because of refraction,
The point in the water is apparently closer. So, we all know that refraction is important to us.
Did you know that? If the imaginary and the normal is called,
The angel of Israel. The angel of refraction. That's the change of direction that the ray undergoes. When it enters another transparent medium. The refraction of light and how it affects time travel. That's also to break time duration, both past and present here, to bend light just so that space is equidistant. Think of the spectrum rainbow, wherein light no resistance. Light is not black and white, it moves in the two. More to the left than the right, across the absolute. For time is not a movement now, but particles forever in form. I think I know how to travel in their storm. The refraction of light and how it affects time travel. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, class. Good morning, class. Good morning, class. Let's go, guys. It's already time. Yes, it's physics time.
physics time, physics time, physics time, physics time.
Our topic is about refraction of light.
Refraction
of light.
Refraction.
Yes, refraction of light.
It's a very phenomenon. How about the receiving coin?
What does it show? Okay, guys, do you want to explain about the reappearing coin? Yes. I saw the coin after pouring water because the light from the coin bends and the water comes
be